Hey everyone, today I am making this beautiful baby doll top. For this I am taking cotton yarn and 5 crochet hook. Now take the yarn and start making a slip knot. After that we have to make 31 chains. So this will be the top part of your baby doll top from your neckline to the underbust. And you have to make as much chains as per your required length. Now we have to skip the very first chain and start making half double crochets in all the chains. And in the end we have to make chain 1. In the same way we will make half double crochets into all the stitches. Continue half double crochet until your bust measurement. Now we have to join both sides of the top. For this I am making single crochet. Here I am done. Now make a chain 1. Now we have to work on the lowest part of the top. For this we will make single crochet into all the stitches. And in the end we will make a slip stitch. The first round of the single crochet are now done. So now we have to start making chain 4. Now make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same chain, and in the another chain we have to make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the same chain, and after that we have to skip the next chain. And we have to repeat the process till the end. Now slip stitch into the third chain, and we have to make one more slip stitch into the spacious part. Now make chain 4 Here we make V chain stitch. For this, in the spacious part, we have to make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then skip the next chain and start making double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the spacious part, and we have to repeat this process into all the rounds. So in the end of the round, we have to make a slip stitch into the third chain and one more slip stitch into the spacious part. So again making chain 4, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip the chain, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and we have to repeat this until the end. Let's meet in the end. So here I am done with my 9 rounds. Now we have to make triple crochet into the all stitches and make a slip stitch into the last stitch. After that we have to cut off the yarn. So this is how my baby doll crochet top looks like. Now we have to attach the green yarn for making the petals. So here we will make total 7 chains. Now we have to skip the 3 treble crochets and start with 4th treble crochet. We have to make a slip stitch into the 4th treble crochet and start making 3 chains and again a slip stitch into the same stitch. Now again we have to make 7 chains. We will repeat this till the end of the round. And in the end we will make a slip stitch and cut off the green yarn. So here I have already attached a few roses. So let me show you how I attached them. So here I left one petal gap between each rose. Now we have to make 15 chains. Here we will skip first 3 chains and start making single crochet into the all 12 chains. Here we are making 3 single crochet into the each chain, and we have to continue this from the all 12 chains. After making all single crochet, we have to make a slip stitch and chain 1, cut off the extra yarn. With the help of needle, here I am sewing this. After giving the shape of rose, you can tie a knot and cut off the extra yarn. Now we will work on our strap. Here we will make total 4 straps. Now take the yarn and tie it properly. Here we are making total 90 chain. Now skip the very first chain and start making single crochet into all the rest chains. So here we will make total 89 single crochets, and in the end we will make a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So here we are going to make total 4 straps, 2 straps for the front part and another 2 for the back part. So here we are done with our 4 straps. We have to hide this thread properly. Now we have to make a heart. For this I am taking 3.5 mm crochet hook. Now start making a magic ring. Start making 4 chains. Now make 3 treble crochet into the magic ring. After that we have to make 3 double crochets into the magic ring, and then chain 1, treble crochet, again chain 1, and then 3 double crochets, again 3 treble crochets, and make 4 chains. After that we have to make a slip stitch and cut off the yarn. So here I will make total 4 hearts and attach into the end of the each strap. So this is how my crochet baby doll top looks like. If you like my video, then do subscribe my channel and comment and share to your friends also. Thank you so much.